Hello and welcome to Basic HR. Our agency offers Basic HR to our clients as a way to differentiate what we can offer in the marketplace. This tool is made specifically for our HR partners so they can get answers to all kinds of complex questions. Let me demonstrate for you today what this service actually includes for our clients. Across the top you have different tabs that do different things. As an HR professional, you can click on any of these to look up more detailed information. For instance, underneath employee benefits, some of the things that you can look up would be one of 5 national benchmarking studies. You could dive into COBRA. What if you wanted to know more about healthcare reform? You can click that link, and we'll actually walk you through special updates. Additionally, we have avatars that will talk to you on the screen so that you know exactly what you're about to look at. Now, we clicked on healthcare reform, so here we have the ability to go out and look at all types of information about healthcare reform that our agency offers to you. And I'll just let you look at that for a moment. Back up at the top, you also have access to a ton of different HR tools. What if you wanted to go out and look up and see, well, what type of federal labor laws do we have to comply with as an employer? You have access to that. You have access to going out and looking at federal poster requirements, in addition to being able to print off federal, state, and OSHA posters. There's a hiring and recruitment section, a discipline section, state laws. If your place of business happens to have employees in other states, this tool is great. It's able to provide a consolidated look at a lot of different employment laws, like you see on the screen, by state. You simply go out and pick your state, and then we drill down to that specific state. And of course, if you have employees in other states, then you can drill down into those other states. And these are all the areas that you can actually learn more information about. Our forms and policy section that we make available to you includes things like HR self-assessment audit, access to COBRA notices and forms for review. If you're new in the HR world, perhaps you'll find use in this as well. We'll actually help you learn how to do performance reviews, as well as give you the forms to do a review. Accident and illness forms. We even give you access to your own sample handbook template that you can download, customize, and then load back up into our Basic Guru software. The HR apps and tools feature puts you in touch with our COBRA advisor, all online. Want to determine if you've got an exempt or non-exempt employee? We can help you with that. Federal Poster Advisor, FMLA Advisor. What if you wanted to build interview questions in order to provide packets to each of the folks inside your organization as they get ready to interview a new employee? We'll actually provide you with all the questions that you need so that you have the ability to create a packet that you can give to each one of your internal folks as they go to interview a new employee. We offer salary benchmarking tools. We have a resource center that's full of videos. Last but not least, we're going to make available to you the Safety and Wellness Library, where you can go out, for instance, and look up posters that you might need for OSHA. What about record keeping requirements? And if you haven't done it already, what about developing a safety and health program? These are just a few of the different tools that we make available to you through our Basic HR software. We look forward to taking questions from you in the near future. We thank you for your time.